Hi guys, it's Matthew again. Happy new month to you guys, and today is 1st of June 2024. I'd like to thank you guys for keep coming back to this channel. I'd like to thank everyone, all our viewers across the world. I'm going to be placing this trade now because I've sent that signal. So let's wait for the outcome of that trade. It's set for 1 minute. We can also sell when it's green, but we're going to win the trade, no doubt. So here we're trading the volatility 75 index. We're green already, but we're going to wait till the trade close because we're going to win that trade. We are trading the volatility 75 index, and we are using one indicator, which is the MACD. We can see we're already in green right there, and we have just few seconds. We can actually sell and take this 10 bucks, but I want it all. I want the trade to end so that you can see how the strategy works. It's 100% guaranteed if you follow this step. So we are trading the volatility 75 index, and we are using one indicator. Just few seconds left right there. So we won that trade, 11.3 bucks. So we are using the MACD indicator. Once you log into your trading account, you're on the GTrader dark mode. Once you log in, go to this chart type here, click on one tick, then go to the indicator, go to momentum and choose the MACD. Then go to high low. We're trading the high low, just like rise and fall. High low comes with huge risk and also much more reward as well. So we are going to be setting your barrier to plus 151.5586. Then set this to minutes and set it to 1 minute. Make sure you stay high so that you can win earn more money. So we're going to be watching the movement of both. This is the MACD, and this both has to be going up before you click on the lower. You can see it's facing up here. It's also going up here. It's going up here. It has to be going up. It's going back down again. Wait for it to go right up. Okay, that's it. So place that trade there, then have to wait for the time. You can see it's going right down again. Once it's going right down, we're in the green already. You can actually sell and take this, but I want to wait for the trade to end because we're going to win this trade as well. The strategy is 100% guaranteed. All you have to do is to follow the simple step, wait for it to go right up, then click on the lower. That's it. So you can see it's awesome, right? Just few seconds left, and there's no way it's gonna hit the entry spot. So you see we won that trade right there. We made about 22.60 just in about few seconds, right? Just about few seconds, like 2 minutes or thereabout. So before we proceed, we're going to place one more trade. Before we proceed, for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boat, there's a boat right there, and here is a page to order the boat. It's just 9.99 USD. All you have to do is to visit touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng to order the boat. The PIPSREAPER boat as well. This is the PIPSREAPER boat. To order the PIPSREAPER boat, visit binary PIPSREAPER.ctytechnologies.com.ng. Our boat comes with a free ebook on how to trade synthetic indices, free bots as well. We gave it away. Free ebook on how to trade Forex, free Forex bot as well. Subscribe to our channels, give a thumbs up to enjoy more strategies, and make more money, you know. And all these information will be pasted in the video description on YouTube, the links to order the book. And those who haven't signed up for a trading account, is the link to sign up for a free trading account to test these strategies on demo before you go live. Practice on demo, then go live. So here is the link to order the PIPSREAPER board, the link to order the TOUCHSCALPER board. So many payment options on the other pages: PayPal, Bitcoin, Perfect Money, Web Money, USDT, Ethereum, bank transfer, card payments. So many payment options, name it. Here are the links to subscribe to our channels. This is the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. Subscribe to all our channels. Don't miss any of the strategies we're going to be dropping. The links to download the ebooks we gave away are also here. Check the video description on YouTube, and this is a link to our forum. Read rated tutorials on the forum.